विसवा उपरांत येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. 1994 ते 2018 ह्या काळांत गोंयांतल्या विविध भागांतल्यान आयज मेरेन 18 चलयो अजुनूय बेपत्ता आसा. तांचो तपास करपाक ही प्रकरणां सीबीआय कडेन सोपोवची म्हूण बायलांचो एकवट संघटनेची अध्यक्षा आवदा विएगासान मागणी केल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
With me, I believe in perseverance, I believe in justice, I believe in not giving up. And therefore, I feel today that the case has to be given to the CBI. And that is my request to the government of Goa. That the case be handed over to the CBI, because I want to know, Goa wants to know, Goan women want to know where the girl is. Not just this girl, but this is for me a precedence, a case in point by which police have to tell us where the girls are. Otherwise, why are we having police stations? Why are we having investigating authorities? Why are we just going to let our girls go and reduce? I said it before and I'm saying it again. They are reducing the spaces for women. One side they talk about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, or they say grow the girl child, and other side they don't want to know what is happening to the decreasing number of women. They don't want to know.
Do you have any statistic on how many girls must have gone missing?
18 girls at that time, between that 18 girls, and I have their names also. I don't want to give the names. 18 girls from different parts of Goa. Tambri, Sulla, somewhere else this side, north, Mahe, Bicholi. So from all over girls have gone missing. Modus operandi was the same. Yeah. 1994 to 2009. 18 girls, and some of the bodies were never found, some of the bones were never found. The cleverness was that the bodies were found nude. The bodies had no jewelry on them. So these are most of the time, family members don't look at the body of the girl all the time, all over where the marks are, and it may skip their mind. But these are the two things on which you identify a body. The investigation was not done properly, and my organization at that time had demanded that all the police inspectors who were in Ponda police station, their credibility should be checked. I had asked for a narco test. It was not done. I have asked for a brain mapping. That was not done. Now, without doing all these things, they're talking about a furlough for a serial silent dupatta killer at Ponda. A new body is found covered with leaves. I hope there is no further Mahanand growing there. So that is why the police should take this matter seriously.